Stop looking at the world with a fleshy eye. Start looking at the world with a spiritual eye. With the eye of wisdom. How can you do that? You know what is love? Love is universal. Love is not individualistic. I love you because of what you are. I don't love you because you're catering to me. Scotty Wolf was an American Baptist minister who resided in Blythe, California. Wolf married 28 different women. Wolf died on June 10th, 1997. His body went unclaimed. None of the 28 women he legally married, and only one of his approximately 19 children attended the funeral service. You seek happiness, you seek joy by changing partners. If you cannot find joy and happiness in that one partner you have married, you can never find it anywhere. Dashana vihinam jatam tundam tadapina munchat asha pindam. You need to evolve. You need to take this knowledge, practice it daily, and then you evolve. Don't push yourself. Evolution is a part, it's a growth, it's a natural growth. You can never rush into something. Just as you can never make your body, you can't change your body in 1 week's time. Spiritual growth is subtlest. It takes time. When you wake up in the morning, you practice this knowledge every day, only then the Shravana turns into Manana, the Manana turns into Nididhyasa. Unless you have, Manana means reflection, Shravana means listening or reading, unless you have some sort of literature, spiritual literature, which appeals to you in your life, you can never make a change.